Good morning, children. Question number 2. Find the square root of 4x square plus 20x plus 25. 4x square. Now we are going to check whether it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which we can write as a plus b the whole square. So 4x square plus 20x plus 25. So this is a square. So 4x square, we have to write it as whole square. So we can write this as 2x the whole square. Square root of 4 2x whole square. Okay. Plus like that b square. 25 we can write it as 5 square. Now we have to check whether it is in the form of 2ab. 2 into this is a, this is b. So 2 into 2x into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20x. Okay, so 2ab it is correct. So we can write this as a plus b the whole square. A 2x, b plus 5 the whole square. So we have to find the square root of 4x square plus 20x plus 25. It is equal to square root of 2x plus 5 the whole square, which is equal to modulus of 2x plus 5. So this we can write it as plus or minus 2x plus 5. Otherwise modulus of 2x plus 5. This modulus symbol is. So this is the question, we have to find the square root for this. One formula is there. Identity, algebraic identity, a plus b plus c the whole square equal to square all the three terms first separately. A square plus b square plus c square plus two terms together, 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. Now we are going to check whether this given polynomial is in this form. Okay, so I have written the given polynomial. First take away the square term alone. 9x square, we can write it as 3x the whole square. Plus, next we can write y. 4y the whole square. 16y square, we can write 4y the whole square. 25z square, we can write 5z the whole square. Next 2ab, 2 into, this is a, b, c. 2 into 3x into 4y plus 2 into bc, 4y into 5z plus 2ca, 2 into 5z into 3x. But here two terms minus are there. Two terms minus are there. So where is minus? The two terms, see the common variable x, y, y is there. So y is there. So we have to give the minus to y. Wherever 4y is there, we have to give minus. Okay. Can you understand how to identify minus? Where minus is there, the two terms, which variable is common there, that we have to give minus. Okay. So everywhere plus. Now see 3x whole square, 9x square minus 4y the whole square, minus power even number plus 4 square 16y square, 5 square 25z square plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24xy. Next plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40yz, minus 40yz plus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30xz. So this we can write it as a plus b plus c the whole square. So 3x minus 4y plus 5z the whole square. So now square root of 3x minus 4y plus 5z the whole square is equal to modulus of 3x minus 4y plus 5z. Find the square root of 1 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 2 by x cube. First see among these three terms which are square, perfect square. 1, it is a square of 1. 1 by x power 6, it is a square of 1 by x cube the whole square. 1 by x power 6, we can write it as 1 by x cube the whole square. Power had a power, multiply the power, so x power 6. So this we can write 1 as 1 square, x power 6 as x cube the whole square. So this we can write 1 by x cube the whole square. So this 1 by x power 6 I am writing 1 by x cube the whole square plus 2 into 1 by x cube. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a, nothing is there, that is 1. b 1 by x cube. 2 into, instead of a 1 is there, instead of b 1 by x cube is there. So this we can write it as root of 1 square plus 1 by x cube the whole square plus 2 into 1 by x cube. Actually this is a plus b the whole square. So this we can write it as root of, what is a here? 1 plus b 1 by x cube the whole square. So it is equal to modulus of 1 by 1 plus, sorry, modulus of 1 plus 1 by x cube. Okay. Next, product of 3 terms are given. So we cannot use the identity here. So we are going to factorize. So how to factorize? See the first term, 4x square minus 9x plus 2. Multiply these two, coefficient of x square and constant, we will get plus 8. We want minus 9. So if you multiply, we have to get plus 8. If you add, we have to get minus 9. First we will start from 1 8. 1 8 is 8. Add these two, we will get 9. So if you add and get this number, give the sign to both the numbers. So minus 1 minus 8. If you add, you will get minus 9. If you multiply, you will get plus 8. Okay. So by 4x square. So write 4x here. 4x, 4x. If we can simplify. So we have to write like this. 4x minus 1, x minus 2. That are the factors. It is equal to, the factors are 4x minus 1, x minus 2. Next, 7x square minus 13x minus 2. Multiply coefficient of x square and constant. So minus 14. We want the factors. We want to write minus 13 here. Coefficient of x right here. Now 14. 1 14 is 14. Okay. If you add, we will get to 15. If you subtract, we will get to 13. So if you add and get the number, give the sign to both the numbers. If you subtract and get this number, give this minus 14 minus 13. So 114 is 14. If you add and get this number, give the sign to both the numbers. If you subtract and get this number, give this sign to greatest number, opposite sign to smallest number. Okay, so now you check plus 1 minus 14 is minus 13, plus 1 into minus 14, you will get minus 14. Now coefficient of x square 7. So we have to write here by 7x. If we can simplify and write like this. 7x plus 1, x minus 2. 7x plus 1, x minus 2. These are all the factors. Next, the third one, 28x square minus 3x minus 1. So multiply coefficient of x square with the constant, we will get minus 28, and coefficient of x is minus 3. So 128, if you add 29, subtract 27, we cannot get 3. Next, 4 table, 4 sevens are 28. If we subtract, we can get 3. So if we subtract and get this number, give this sign to greatest number, opposite sign to smallest number, and check plus 4 minus 7. If you add minus 3, if you multiply, minus 28. Now coefficient of x square 28. So we have tried by 28x by 28x. If we can simplify. So 7x plus 1 and here 4x minus 1. It is equal to 4x minus 1, 2 times it is here. 4x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 2, 2 times. 7x plus 1, 2 times. So square root of 4x minus 1, x minus 2, 7x plus 1. Okay.